Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today's topic is paragraph writing. As you know that paragraph writing from the childhood, because when you are learning the how we write the sentence, how we make the sentence, after a sentence you are able to write the paragraphs, maybe 2 or 3 lines or maybe 100 words. But why it is important now? This is a very important question. And in that question, the first is how to write experience in your resume. Because when you get all the education qualification, after you want to do a job, we want to go in an office. So before that, you have to make your resume. And while you are preparing your resume, you need your skill. That is what, how you express your self, like myself or your detail from you get the education qualification. But important is what, important is that ki how you write your experience in the resume. Because when the company get your resume, the company first of all see how much experience you have, how you express your experience in your resume. That shows how much you are willing to do this job. So let's we talk. I will show you some examples in the three ways: opening, middle and closing, how you write your experience. So the first sample is like, in that sample you see easily an easy sentence will help the employer to get the all the information what he or she want to know about me. Plus, I read it all the thing. I have been working as a media officer with the Sky Limit Private Limited, New Delhi, for the past 5 years. I am now looking for a change of employment which would within my horizon. It has occurred to me that a growing and promising organization such as yours might be interested इन यूजिंग माई सर्विस, जिसमें कि आप इंटरेस्टेड हो सकते हैं क्योंकि मैं 5 साल से इस कंपनी में काम कर रहा हूँ. तो देर इज़ नो नेगेटिव सेंटेंस, ऑल सेंटेंस आर पॉजिटिव. सो इफ़ यू open your paragraph of experience this way, you will definitely get the good feedback. So in the middle, what we want to write and what we have to write, let's see. In the middle paragraph, you see here the sentence in the past form, sum of sentence. Just like I read it for you, I did masters in the English from the Albach Educational Institute in 2016. Since then, I have been associated with the Sky Limit Private Limited. I currently head the cell that draft the advertisement for a professional organization. My team of 8 talented people seem to be enjoying working with me, and quite a number of advertisements designed by us have a head of success run on the small screen. इट मीन्स इसके अंदर वो लिखा है जो आप वहाँ पर हेड कर रहे हैं, आप वहाँ पर ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहे हैं, आप किस तरह से अपनी टीम से काम ले रहे हैं, किस तरह से टीम आपका फॉलो कर रही है, किस तरह से टीम आपके लिए काम कर रही है. तो दिस ऑल पॉजिटिव्स आर रिटन इन दैट सेंटेंस. After that, when the closing, how you close your paragraph while writing your experience in the resume. So let's see. Here is another example for the closing paragraph. That is, enclose is my resume which provide detailed information regarding my education, training, experience, skills and achievements. I shall be pleased to provide any further information you may need. इट मीन्स यहाँ पर आप उनको ग्रीट कर रहे हैं कि उनसे रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, अगर आपको कुछ भी और अदर इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए जो कि मुझसे आप लेना चाहते हैं तो आप कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं मुझसे. लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू पर्सनल इंटरेक्शन एंड यू कैन रीच मी एट दिस नंबर. दिस इज़ माई नंबर. so you can write your number while you are writing the experience paragraph of the closing. So I hope you understood and helpful this video for you to write your experience in your resume. So thank you for watching me, and if you are new one, so please subscribe, like and share my video. Okay, bye.